In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signpost in Tradingview. Whether you're new to Tradingview or an experienced user seeking more informative and personalized charts, this guide will help you easily add signposts to highlight key information and mark important notes. To begin, let's head over to the Tradingview website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Superchart option. This will open up the full-featured charting tool that Tradingview is famous for. It's here that you'll perform most of your customizations and data analysis. Next, look for the Text and Notes option on the chart interface. This section lets you add different types of annotations to your chart, giving you the flexibility to highlight important events, record observations, or jot down quick notes directly on your price charts. Once you're in the Text and Notes area, you'll notice a variety of tools available to you. From this selection, click and select the Signpost tool. The signpost serves a unique purpose. It's a tool designed to help you annotate specific points on your chart, making it easier to draw attention to particular price movements, announcements, or any other significant event you want to point out. Now that you've selected the signpost, simply click on your chart at the location where you'd like to place it. Your signpost will be anchored to this position, allowing for quick reference or review of the note. This step is as easy as pointing your mouse and clicking, but remember, you can always move it around later if you need to. Once you've placed your signpost, you have the option to modify its settings. This is an important step because it ensures that the signpost meets your specific needs. By clicking on the signpost, you'll be able to open its settings menu, where you can customize various aspects such as style, text, coordinates, and visibility. This gives you the flexibility to make your annotations as detailed or as simple as you need. An added touch that Tradingview offers is the ability to insert emojis into your signpost text. This can add a bit of personality or clarify the nature of your note, whether it's for a milestone in your trading journey or to visually emphasize certain points. All these features combined make signposts a powerful tool for customizing your Tradingview experience. They enable you to transform your charts into a dynamic canvas for both analysis and storytelling, providing clarity and context at just a glance. So go ahead, try it out, and enjoy a more enriched charting experience.